Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix DREAME D20 Plus leaving streaks while mopping. In most cases, it's either due to your mop pad not being clean or your water level being too high. So your mop pad should be cleaned frequently. It should actually be cleaned after each task, after each mopping. Yeah, I have the mop pad right here. You can put it in a washing machine. You can also wash it by hand, however you want. Then install it on the this mount. To do it, you just slide it in right here from this side with the small arrow. And then attach it. Make sure to stretch it. It's also very important. Make sure to stretch it so that it lays flat like that on both sides, so there are no bumps here. And then of course attach it on the back of the robot. Now if that didn't help, then you may want to lower the water flow in the app. Especially if you have wooden floors, then make sure to lower that value of water flow so that it doesn't destroy the floors. But let's go to custom right here. And now if you have mop or vacuum and mop selected, I would actually need to install the mop pad for that. So let's do it.
Mop pad installed.
Okay, now as you can see, there's a mop or vacuum and mop, and there's mop wetness. And you can change the amount of water used for mopping to a desired level. And I think that should definitely help you. You should lower it so that it doesn't do too much water. And yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.